Hello everybody, and welcome back to Krueger Family Farms. It's about 6:50 in the evening on Tuesday, August 19th. I go back to school tomorrow, and right now I am gonna go move a few round bales around. Do a little bit of a round bale shuffling with the John Deere 317. John Deere 317 skid loader. I got some hay to move in that I've needed to do for a while here. And just haven't done it. Due to us getting 7 inches of rain in a week, a few weeks back, where I couldn't get around to do anything. So right now, I got the pallet forks on the skid loader. Go try and move a few round bales and not get stuck. There is a spot that is still fairly wet. So right now, I'm heading out there with the deer steer, because my grandpa's old Mustang skid loader is down. If that was the skid going though, if that skid was going, there's chances I'd be using that right now instead of this machine. But the deer steer does a good job. It's always been a good, reliable machine to us. I can't knock it at all. John Deere makes some really good skid loaders, especially the original 300 series, where they had the overhead door in them. That is some of the best stuff ever made by John Deere, I'd say. I don't like the newer ones where the doors swing out because, well, I'd have to have a door in this right now or pull the door off, which if I had a swing out door on here, I would never have the door on it. Not even in the winter, I highly would doubt I'd have it on here. I like having the door where I can have it above my head when I'm operating. Because I don't like having that door in front of my face, especially this like demolition polycarbonate glass where you can't ever see through it. So it's yeah, I'm getting ready to turn here to go across to our field that I hope to God I don't bury myself in. So I'll put my phone up on my pocket and let you guys watch as I try not to get stuck. Back there, potentially that's where I used to run my phone at, is up in a like phone holder thing behind the seat. I hope it'll stay. You guys can see what I'm doing. I'm running her about 3/4 throttle. I'm not running her wide open. I'm purposely not running wide open right now. But this, where I'm going right now, might get a little hairy. Here it's kind of rough out here. I'm not going to that spot there because that's a low spot. Coming up around this way here where it's still wet, but now I'm floating, I guess. I float till I don't, I guess. Float till I don't. So yeah, running her about 3/4 throttle. Now I got the pallets on her. The pallet tight. Because me personally, I prefer the pallet tines on a skin. Moving hay, especially when it's weather out. Normally I would have to bail above the cab, but with it being hairy like it is, I really don't want to bail up too high. Especially when I like it up higher because then I can see where I'm going, but same time right now, I just don't care. I just need her done and trying to do it safe. I usually carry a bail above the cab when I go above. Usually. that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Like Travis from the rest of the story said, take care, take it easy, keep in touch, and I'll talk to you guys later. All at Krueger Family Farms. Bye.